Why screen-free evenings matter.
Excessive screen time before bed can make it harder to fall asleep and reduce sleep quality. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. Taking a break from screens in the hour before bedtime helps your mind and body naturally prepare for a good night's sleep.
Set a consistent screen curfew.
Choose a time about an hour before bed to put away all devices. Treat this screen curfew like a daily ritual. Silence notifications and place your phone or devices out of reach. Sticking to the same schedule each night signals to your brain that it's time to wind down and helps increase the effectiveness of your routine.
Replace screens with calming activities.
Swap screen time for relaxing alternatives. Try reading a physical book, journaling, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Activities like these quiet your mind and prepare your body for rest without the stimulating effects of digital devices.
Create a mindful evening atmosphere.
Set the mood for relaxation. Dim the lights, light a candle, or make a cup of herbal tea. Focusing on your senses, sight, smell, and touch, can help ground you in the present moment and ease the transition from busy day to restful night.
Reflect and prepare for tomorrow.
Spend a few minutes reflecting on the day or planning for tomorrow. Mindful journaling or making a to-do list can clear your thoughts and reduce nighttime worries. This helps you approach bedtime with a calm mind, ready for restorative sleep.
Enjoy better sleep with your new routine.
Consistency is key to sleep success. By making screen-free evenings a regular part of your life, you'll gradually notice improved sleep quality, more restful nights, and better overall well-being. Start tonight and give your mind the break it deserves.